Well, Uber's stock price has officially just hit an all-time low. This is getting crazy out of hand. Could this potentially be the end of Uber? That's what we're talking about in today's video. Welcome back to the show, the Rideshare Hub. This is a place where Uber and Lyft drivers and rideshare drivers, food delivery drivers, gig workers come together to learn how to make more money, talk about increasing your income, and a whole lot more. So we're doing a deep dive today. Some of you guys know Uber's head of rides just quit the company. Uber's stock price is falling. Drivers are striking in America and across the world. There's a lot of drama going on. We're doing a deep dive today. So welcome back. I appreciate all of you sticking around. And by the way, if any of you guys have been deactivated by any of the gig apps, we do have a link below to get help with that. And we do have a discount code as well. If you ever find yourself trying to get reactivated, there is help out there. You're not alone, because so many drivers get deactivated wrongfully and it's upsetting. So let's take a listen. This was an article published by Benzinga. Benzinga just shared this today. Why Uber technology stock is falling today. Oh, by the way, Uber just got exposed. There was a leaked memo showing that Uber is raising prices for rides in one major US metro area. But are they raising prices for drivers? That's the question. They're just raising the prices for rides, for riders only, and not paying drivers more? I want to hear from you guys down below. Listen to this. Benzinga says, why is Uber technology stock falling today? Uber stock price is sitting at what, 20 bucks right now? Uber stock price, $20.47. If you've been investing in Uber and you're still holding on to it, you're probably down. I don't think there's any possible scenario where you would be up right now. Benzinga says, why is Uber stock price? Benzinga prides itself as a media platform that is for the people, by the people, blah, 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 blah. Okay. Uber's down 7% today. Shares are trading lower Thursday amid overall market weakness as stocks fall following Wednesday's Fed rate hike announcement. Federal Reserve raised interest rates by 0.75 percentage point on Wednesday in what was its most aggressive rate hike since 1994. Inflation remains elevated, reflecting supply and demand imbalances related to the pandemic, higher energy prices, and broader price pressures. Wednesday's rate hike brings the target range for the federal funds rate up to 1.5% to 1.75%. In an effort to achieve maximum employment and 2% inflation over the long term, the Fed said it anticipates that ongoing increases in the target range will be appropriate. Fed noted that Russia's invasion of Ukraine and COVID-19 related lockdowns in China have put additional upward pressure on inflation. The committee would be prepared to adjust the stance of monetary policy as appropriate if risks emerge that could impede the attainment of the committee's goals. Uber has traded between $52 and $20.89 over a 52-week period. The stock was down 7.4% at $20.40 at press time, according to data from Benzinga Pro. Wow, my friends. Listen to this. Uber is having a big effect in New York City. Surging New York City Uber rides is the latest excuse for people staying out of the office. People are not, this isn't affecting the global economy. People are not going to work because they can't afford it, because Uber prices are too high. Fresh excuse for not coming to the office is making the rounds across the Big Apple, the price of an Uber. So people are working from home a whole lot more. So have you noticed a decrease in ride demands? Because people are just refusing to pay that ridiculous price. And drivers know that the price that they receive doesn't increase. Well, New York City employees have griped for more than a year about the dangers of taking the subway to work. A growing contingent has become increasingly fixated on what it costs to use ride-sharing apps like Uber and Lyft, sources told On The Money. One commuter who works at a Manhattan public relations firm, who asked that her name not be used for fear of getting her into trouble, says she comes into work twice a week and has told her boss she can't afford more than that. It used to cost $10 to get into my office. Now it costs $35. I can't do that every day. Imagine spending $35 a day just to go to work with an Uber. Yeah, guys. So anyways, want to make this quick video. What do you think about Uber? Is this the end? And I I don't know, is there hope? There's a hopeful future for Uber? Can they make a comeback? I want to hear from you guys today. Isn't it been another episode of the Rideshare Hub? Check out the links below. Talk to you soon. Bye, guys.